Cheryl, our vet, called me and she said, "Can you bring your baby in and feed him in front of Zoe?" Because she had a baby. I just had my breastfeeding bra on and I was able to show her everything with zero modesty. I wanted her to be able to see the whole process because orangutans don't wear shirts. I wanted her to be able to see my breasts and see Caleb and be able to see him rooting and looking for it and the latch. With my bra down, I was very exaggerated when I put him on so that she could see that like the baby goes here, and the whole time I was talking to her and pointing at her, pointing at the baby, pointing at her breast, and when Caleb was latched, I was like showing it to her and making sure that she saw the important part. The whole time she just kept watching me, like curious. She didn't immediately breastfeed her baby, but she was definitely watching the whole time. I had a really hard time in the beginning as a new mom with my breastfeeding journey. Required a lot of guidance and help before we really figured it out. I think it was really special being able to share this with her and help her in her journey, whether it was an orangutan or a human. I just want to be able to help any new mom.